Video we will see how to disable annoying Microsoft update on Mac operating system. So look at this, every time I restart my Mac, so this checkbox is automatically display here, and I won't stop this particular updation of Microsoft in my Mac operating system. But now I totally disable this process. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Wrong. So simply click here Finder. So my computer name is Sangram Singh. So simply here Macintosh HD, click here Library. Inside the library you click here in a launch agent, click the launch agent and see here Microsoft update agent list. So simply click and move to bin. Put it here your password, again back, click here launch the second folder, and here com.microsoft AutoUpdate helper. So simply again here move to bin, password, enter, and then you can empty your recycle bin. So now second time I restart my operating system, so I am not receive any kind of notification for this updation of Microsoft. It's very simple process. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.